All right. Hey, YouTube. Welcome to the channel. Hey, if you haven't been here before, my name is Jason. I'm an affiliate marketer. And on the channel, we go through and we find ways to make money online, and then we pass those on to you. What we do is we do training videos and training series that are all step by step, exactly how to start making money online with several different programs that we run. So be sure, after checking out today's video on this series, check out the rest of these series as well. They're all very good programs. All right, so let's jump into Clickbank. What we're doing today, if you've just landed here, is our Clickbank series. Turn $5 a day into $4,000 a month, just using Clickbank and an email system that is strictly copy and paste. You can start right here on video number 1. This is day 1 through 6. This is your full setup, and then you can just go through the videos and follow along daily. There's always going to be a Google document below the video with all the emails that we're sending. So you can just go in there and copy and paste yourself. So here is where you join MLGS. You come right in here, click here to join. We show how to daisy chain those accounts just to help you out and help you get some of that money back. And this is the email swipes we're using right here. Just click on here, you'll have full access. And you can just make yourself a copy and have those. Join our Facebook group here. And then, of course, here's our #1 business. You should take a look at that for sure. That is where we make the majority of our money online. So let's jump into Clickbank. And we'll just check some stats. All right, there we go. Okay, so far today, we're just going to send out our emails. So far today, we've got 174 clicks through to our link. We got 3 clicks through to our order form just today. This is all residual emails. These are emails we've already sent out that are still coming in. So let's go check the full period. See how things are going. Okay, here we go. So you can see here, we're up 20,372 clicks to our link. We're at 174 clicks through to our order form. We've made 9 sales from 2 different promotions that we ran. $165.29 worth. And that's where we sit. So let's go and jump into my lead gen secret and go ahead and get this first email out. Now, this is email number 8 in this series, and this is day 58 in the full series. Okay, so we'll come in here and click mailing system, select all. I'm going to grab our subject from the document, Control C, Control V. And then we're going to come down, we're going to grab our email. I am going to use the pre-header on this one too. And we'll copy or Control V, paste that. All right, we'll get rid of all this bold. And I'm going to leave that pre-header bold. Get rid of that, and then we'll get rid of this, and we're going to go with your country. All right, and then here, as always, we're going to get rid of this short code and put in our short code for the system. There we go. All right, now let's see what we got. Okay, we want our signature in there. And let's make our link. There's mine, and I'm going to just grab that. Control C. All right, let's see where we can put this link. You know what? Let's go right here. And then yeah, let's just go. Well, let's see. I'm asking you to hit this link. So let's just make one again. Whoops, these emails aren't quite the same as the others. We'll do right there. The next line up says, hit this link to apply or someone steals your chance. So we're just going to put here, apply here. Okay. I'll just make it a little bit bigger so now it stands out. So you can come in here, they read this email. Hey, first name, you can take advantage of my tried and true method of making a living. There are plenty of ways to do this without spending too much time or money, excuse me. All you need is a smartphone and an internet connection. Everything else comes easy, including getting paid at the end. You don't have to worry about it being too complicated because all I'm asking you to do is hit this link and apply before someone else steals your chance. Apply here. Again, thank you for reading this message. Please take care and we'll talk soon. All the best. Your name. Get rid of that. Click perfect timing, and then we'll make sure we got everything. Done. Good. Done. All right. We're just going to highlight, Control C, and then we'll send this. Get rid of it. All right, there we go. Then up here, we're going to right click and duplicate that tab. And then log out and then log back in. So we'll log into number 2. Mailing system, select all, scroll all the way down. Place our email, perfect timing. Grab our subject. Control C, Control V. There it is. Grab our email, Control C, and send. And then we'll switch accounts. Mailing system, select all the way down. We're emailing there, perfect timing. Grab our subject. Okay, Control V. Grab our email with Control C and send. All right. All right, then we'll go to our other tab, and we're going to log out. And log into number 4. Billing system, select all, go all the way down. Email, perfect timing. Grab our subject, Control C, Control V. Grab our email one more time, Control C, and then send it. Okay, that one's gone, so we'll switch accounts again. Get that last one out. So we'll go to number 5. mailing system, select all the way down. Control V, perfect timing, all the way back up to subject. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Now this is done. Send it. So now as soon as this is gone, then that is all. We've sent all of our emails out. And that's it. That's all there is to it. So it's easy, it's quick. We've proven we can make money this way, and we're just going to continue doing it, continue grabbing those leads and getting them pushed in there and see how far we can push this up. All right. So thanks for being here. While you're here, please be sure and subscribe if you haven't. Give me a like on this video if you like the content. Go in and watch these other videos. We try and teach a lot on these videos, and it is all step by step. So go check those out. We'll see you on the next video. Later.